It's Margarita, and we are taking it to the house of Montblanc with their signature scent. People ask me all the time if I had to choose, and let me note, I don't ever want to have to choose, but if I had to choose a signature scent, what would it be? And I would have to say that this one right here, Montblanc Signature, would be in that list. I have a top 5. And if you want to see me do my top 5 fragrances in my collection, let me know in the comments and I'll do that for you. But yes, Montblanc Signature is that girl. This fragrance has been out for 2 years. However, I just recently found out about it earlier this year. I got it in a swap. So I really lucked out because I didn't even have to buy this. I swapped it for something that I wasn't wearing. And I am so glad that I did. I took a chance on it because honestly, the notes didn't quite wow me. But something said, just try it, especially since you're not paying for it, technically. And I'm so glad that I did. I'm not going to spray it because I spray it all the time. But smelling the bottle, it just makes me happy. This right here is a fragrance for a boss. If you want to smell like a boss, and this isn't even expensive, but it smells expensive, Montblanc Signature is for you. Let me tell you the notes. Clementine, magnolia, ylang ylang, peony, vanilla, white musk, and benzoin. Now, the yellow flowers, that ylang ylang kind of, it made me leery of trying this, but I am so glad that I did because all the other notes typically do well for me. Peony is one of the few florals that work for me. Clementine is just like a bright, effervescent orange, which dies down pretty quickly. It's an opening note. The vanilla, y'all know I love vanilla. Now, what's interesting about this is the vanilla in here is not prominent. It really rounds it out. Like it's one of those things where if you're looking for it, you can kind of smell it, but it smells powdery. So if you like a powdery vanilla, you will love this. If you want to smell clean, this is a nice, fresh out of the shower scent that's got a little bit of oomph to it. Wonderful. If you have a job interview, now typically people advise against wearing fragrances on interviews because you don't want to offend anyone who could be having some signing power to get you that job. This will probably not even offend someone like that. This is a wonderful all-around fragrance. It's not even seasonal. You can wear this all year round. I cannot stop singing the praises of this fragrance. Would I repurchase this? Oh yeah. This is staying in my collection for a very long time. I love this. You will love it if you like to smell fresh and clean. Who doesn't, right? At least I hope everybody likes that. And this could actually go well. It's a feminine fragrance, but I can actually see a man pulling this off. If you have a body chemistry, for example, my husband smells amazing in fragrances that are marketed toward women. I never say they're men's or women's fragrances because it's all about marketing, and body chemistry. That's the first thing. Do not be off-put by a fragrance that's marketed toward men or women. All fragrances unisex. It's all about your body chemistry. My husband smells better in my fragrances than I do, and I can't stand it. But it's really cool. A lot of men who have those chemistries that just work well with bright, clean notes, you want to try this. Oh my goodness, ladies, if you're a man, if you want to have him smell clean and fresh out of the shower, just spritz some of this on him. You will not be disappointed. Let me know if Montblanc Signature works for you. Have you smelled it? And if you haven't, what are you doing? Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel because we talk about it all. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.